Hello everyone. In today's video I will review the best Hjm Toury e-bike review. Hjm Toury e-bike review. We were excited to get a chance to test out the new Hjm Toury electric bike. Our full review covers everything you need to know about this bike, from the things we loved to the things we didn't. Fat tires, incredibly easy to assemble, 45+ mile range, 20 mph speed, built-in rear rack included, rear turn signal, much more. What is Hjm Bikes? Hjm Bike is a newer direct-to-consumer e-bike brand that operates similarly to Rad Power Bikes. They offer 3 models, the Toury step-thru, and the Trancer Cargo electric bike, which looks very similar to the Radwagon 4. E-bikes that are sold directly to consumers are becoming increasingly popular because they eliminate the need for a middleman. You may be wondering if Hjm e-bikes are a good purchase. Range of the Toury. The Toury also has an impressive range of 45 miles per charge, which should get you through most commutes throughout the day. Obviously, you don't need to use the battery at all, so the range is technically unlimited. The Toury is powered by a 750W brushless gear hub motor that helps get you up to speed quickly. This motor is also surprisingly quiet, which we loved. 48V lithium-ion battery. This bike is equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, which will give you plenty of range up to 50 miles before needing a charge. The battery can be charged in as little as 4 hours, making it convenient for those who want to take their bike on frequent rides. Fat tires. The Toury features 26 times 4 inches wide fat tires. These days, fat tires are very popular. You don't just see them on bikes meant for riding on rougher terrain like sand or snow. You can see them on bikes meant for riding on concrete or even mountain roads. Fat tires are popular for a few reasons. They provide more stability than other types of bicycle rims, making it easier to balance on bumpy paths without falling off. In addition, they're much safer because you don't have to lean as much when cornering at white sensing front light. The front LED light automatically senses when it's getting dark and will turn on, keeping you safe while biking at night. LCD color display. The Toury has a large color LCD display that shows your speed, distance traveled, time ridden, power usage, and more. This is perfect for those who want to keep track of their stats as they ride. A super small complaint: why do none of the electric bikes these days have a clock on the LCD display? Seriously, I love Hjm Bike.